All right, programmers. So we are now going to be asking a user for an input instead of just giving the input. Because right now, when I run this program, sure, it gives me hello Adele, which is super exciting and super cool. We all love Adele. She's still great. But we want to have the user input their own name. So in order to add an input, we are going to change this code. So we want this name to equal input. When we put input, once again, you see that it is purple. So that means that it is another one of these commands such as print. So on input, when we do parentheses, right there, it's asking for prompt equals none. That's saying that it doesn't have a prompt yet, but we should have that. So what we're gonna do is put what the prompt would be. And this is in a string, and we'll say, what is your name? We'll put question mark, close the quotations, close the parentheses, and now we have name is equal to this input. So now when we run this program, we run module, it'll save it. It's asking right here, what is your name? So if I put, we'll say Brad Pitt. Hello, Brad Pitt. Right there. That's super cool. And that's super easy how you add an input. So anytime that we wanted to add an input, well, we have to make sure that we have a name for that. Let's say that we want to change this to greeting. And instead of hello, we want to ask them how they want to greet each other. How would you like to greet, not great, greet your friend? Question mark. We can close that up with some parentheses and colons. And then we are going to put that greeting in here. So let's have greeting plus name. So now we have two different inputs. I've set them both as variables, and we're still gonna have this plus exclamation point at the end. Now, when we run this, we are gonna run into just a little thing where it's going to ask you for your name first. Notice that's the first line. So what is your name? If we say Brad Pitt, we'll put it right there. How would you like to greet your friend? Let's say, what's up? Space, and then enter. And it says, what's up, Brad Pitt? So that's a real quick tutorial, once again, on setting variables, but also now using an input as those variables. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.